1967년 미국 미시시피주. 유대인이자 인권 변호사인 크레이머와 가족들이 아침을 맞이합니다.
Bye. Be good boy.
쌍둥이 두 아들과 함께 사무실로 출근하는 크레이머. 그리고 잠시 뒤 그로부터 29년이 지난 1996년 현재 시카고. 그날의 폭탄 테러로 두 아이는 세상을 떠났고 크레이머는 다리를 잃고 고통 속에서 살다 스스로 생을 마감했죠. 범인은 KKK 단원이었던 샘 케이홀. 그는 사형 선고를 받고 주립교도소에 수감 중이었는데 집행일까지는 한 달 정도 남은 상황입니다. 그리고
Sam Cahill's my grandfather.
샘의 손자였던 신촌래기 변호사 아담.
I could work out of that office.
You still have family down there?
I have an aunt in Jackson. Told her I might be down in business.
Did you ever actually meet your grandfather?
No.
Did they even tell you he existed?
I found out at my father's funeral,
When was that?
1980.
스스로 세상을 떠났던 아담의 아버지.
Same year Sam was sentenced to die.
Yes, sir.
그렇게 아담은 할아버지 샘의 사형 집행을 막아보기 위해 미시시피로 떠나죠. 먼저 만날 사람은 할아버지 샘의 딸이자 아담의 고모.
Now you go freshen up and hurry down.
I really don't think I'm gonna have too much time for socializing. Lee? I'm here to defend your father. Look, I understand that.
You understand nothing. Don't you utter one word to anyone.
Lee,
Not one word.
고모는 할아버지와 인연을 끊고 산 지 오래되었었고 다음 날 아담은 드디어 할아버지 샘을 만나러 갑니다.
Briefcase. Sergeant Packer.
Adam Hall.
This way. Who the hell are you?
Adam Hall. I'm a lawyer with Kravitz and Bain, Chicago. Well, we're an equal opportunity employer.
Really? I know you've got about 150 partners up there. Why are you so nervous?
I'm not nervous.
How many death penalty cases have you handled?
This is my first.
Oh, how old are you there, Mr. Hall?
26. Your legal position.
Where?
Come up with in Memphis.
You grew up there, did you?
Now, I grew up in a lot of places, mainly Southern California.
Your family's still there?
How did you know?
The voice. You sound just like your daddy.
But I am gonna save you.
Save me?
Yeah.
This from the son of a man that blew his own brains out? Go to hell, you little bitch. Try to save your own sorry ass.
I am the only person on this earth who gives a damn whether you live or die. Now, you will be dead in 28 days.
괴팍하고 고집스러운 성격인 듯한 할아버지 샘. 이 소식은 빠르게 화제가 되고
Why did you become a Klansman?
Because my daddy was in the Klan.
Do you expect me to feel proud about that?
I don't give a damn how you feel. I'm just telling you who you are. Isn't that why you're here?
All right, the Kramer twins was the fifth bombing. What about the real estate office in Jackson?
Well, I lost my virginity on that one. It was a crude little thing with just some sticks and a fuse.
The Kramer office.
It was a good bomb. But I never meant to kill anybody.
Really?
I don't make fancy bombs. They're just simple little things. But I know where to put them. Like I told you, I never meant to kill anybody.
And the twins?
I don't want to talk about this.
Are you hiding something from me? I wouldn't advise it.
I got nothing to hide. We would have won, too. We start bombing the Jews. Yeah, you can pretend you're all offended by this. But deep down inside, we both know that there's a part of you agrees with me.
That's bullshit.
아담은 집행을 늦춰보기 위해 주지사를 만나보기로 하죠.
Made Sam proud.
I understand you're reconsidering the state-sanctioned murder of my client.
However, while I have no doubt Sam Cahall is guilty as charged, I have always found it very difficult to believe he acted alone.
What exactly are you saying? Is there something specific you know about?
I just want to make sure justice is served. Adam, I take my power to decide whether a fellow human should live or die very seriously. Ken, it was lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
If you need any help at all, that's home, that's office.
혹시나 도움이 필요하면 연락을 달라고 하는 주지사의 비서.
We're going to pursue cruel and unusual. In 1984, the Mississippi legislature passed a law changing the method of execution from the gas chamber to lethal injection.
Folks sentenced after 1984. I was sent up here in 1980. I'll be just as dead one way as the other.
Sooner or later, yeah. But I'll take later as a win.
Well,
You
I'm-
destroyed him. I mean, you must feel pretty good about that.
I destroyed nothing. You never tried to understand the Klan.
Oh, you still think you were right?
Why are you doing this?
Because my life would be a lot easier if I could just hate you. Christ, your father himself in front of you when you're 10 years old, and then you go to the funeral and find out Grandpa's still alive.
Eddie was weak. Never got after him. Never cared who his friends were. Not even Quince.
Who? Wait a second, I've heard that name before.
Hey, it don't mean
No. Quince Lincoln. He used to mention that name.
It don't mean nothing! Shut up about it!
Let's go, Sam.
I need to track down the FBI agent who's in charge of Sam's case.
Sam was of no concern to us, you understand? He wasn't active in the really nasty stuff, so we weren't keeping close track of him. Because I don't like you lawyers twisting the truth, getting killers off on some legal technicality. That's bullshit.
Besides, you said he was involved in the really nasty stuff. I mean, there's no way he meant to kill.
Marvin Kramer was a creature of habit. He was in that office every morning before 8 o'clock. Well, I can't help you there, pal. I'm just a fisherman now. Could just as soon see him gassed.
무언가를 숨기고 있는 듯한 전직 FBI 요원.
All right, well, why would our FBI friend not want to tell us something about a 30-year-old case?
Because you're in Mississippi now. Land of the secrets. They just don't want you sifting through the ashes because they're not sure what else you might turn out.
Are you really here to help me? Or did they assign you to spy on me?
You ever heard of the Sovereignty Commission?
Vaguely.
Some people think it was actually coordinating all the white citizens' councils.
What were those?
Every town had one. A local group of respectable white people who told the Klan what to do.
So somebody like Sam wasn't even making decisions.
They were poor, uneducated bigots who couldn't find their butts with a map. The citizens' councils used them to do their dirty work.
Sake, Adam, leave it alone.
Lee, I really think I can save him.
Ever occurred to you he might not be worth saving?
Can't do that.
All right, Adam. You want to know about the past?
그렇게 아담은 아무도 들추고 싶어 하지 않는 비밀에 조금씩 다가가고 있었고 그것을 원하는 사람은 아무도 없었습니다.
This was my tree. My father was there with Quince. They were 8, maybe they were 9, and they were best friends. No, his daddy heard and come out to see what all the ruckus was. So then Quince came back with his father. His name was Joe. Daddy never was very handy, mechanical things, so Joe fixed things for us. He made things. They fought so hard, like animals. Sam told Eddie to go get his. Eddie froze. But Daddy made him go. Sweet father. Daddy said self-defense. never even so much as arrested.
What were my dad and Quince fighting about?
A toy soldier. Daddy thought Quince had stolen it. That night he found it under his bed. He took the weight of the world on his shoulders. Daddy never was very handy, mechanical things.
Jesus.
그렇다면 할아버지가 복잡한 폭탄을 만들 수는 없었을 듯한데
Bombs ain't that complicated.
Well, it couldn't be that easy. I wouldn't know how to do it.
That's because you're not motivated.
How long was the fuse?
For Pete's sake. You know, it happened a long time ago. I'm an old man. I remember.
The bomb didn't have a fuse. It had a timer.
What are you saying?
I'm saying you weren't alone. There was somebody else. There's not a chance in hell you could have built a timing device by yourself. The FBI, they searched your house, your garage, your premises. They didn't find a single trace of explosives anywhere.
Maybe I was just real careful and didn't leave a trail.
살상력이 높은 폭탄을 다른 사람이 만들었다면 할아버지의 죄가 감형될 수도 있다고 판단한 아담.
His bombs were simple, crude little things. They had fuses. This one was different. It was complex for back then. It was timed. It was timed to kill.
The Sovereignty Commission has a file on Sam. It might also tell us who else was involved. Who was pulling the strings, making decisions.
Adam, just stop this, okay? Those files are sealed by the state legislature. If you...
But you know a way we could take a peek at them.
No.
I am pursuing the truth by any means necessary.
I'm insane.
That's right. I'm going to argue that as a product of 3 generations of clan mentality, your preconscious indoctrination into a world of hate and distortion, born of irrational fear, has resulted in a diminished mental capacity to determine right from wrong.
I'm going to see a psychiatrist, am I?
That's right.
이젠 얼마 남지 않은 시간. 아담은 해볼 수 있는 모든 걸 해보기로 하죠.
Packer, I want you to know that when I talk about your people,
그렇게 샘의 집행유예 소송이 이어진 마지막 재판.
Dr. Beddoes, in your opinion, is Sam Cahill in touch with reality?
No, he is not.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Demonstrate he might have a conscience, that he cared about other people's feelings.
But just the other night, he told me to my face when he said stuff like that. Let's just say he tried to apologize, and he didn't even get it all out.
Is Sam K. Hall in touch with reality?
Sam, you betcha.
Thumbs down on insanity later today.
Hi.
Hi.
There you are. What's young Mr. Hall been up to?
Looking everywhere for new information.
What kind of information? Nora? You're not sleeping with him, are you?
No.
Sovereignty Commission files the originals under lock and key in the Hall of Records.
Why can't zoning reports wait for tomorrow?
Please. I've got to get this done tonight. I'll lock up for you. You and me. Have a good evening.
드디어 비밀리에 봉인되어 있다는 주권위원회의 파일을 살펴볼 차례입니다. 불리한 이 판을 뒤집을 만한 무언가를 찾길 바라며 파일들을 하나씩 자세히 살펴보던 이때
Sam Cahill. What's RW?
You mean who's RW?
핵심 인물인 듯한 RW. 그는 과연 누구일까?
I need to know who RW is. I saw the Commission's files. You were with someone named RW. Why in God's name you feel compelled to protect them is beyond me.
As it stands right now, everything you tried has failed. You failed. You a failure, just like your pathetic father was. That son of a bitch didn't have the balls to live. He just gave it away. God damn it, he gave it away. You hear me? He gave it away. Why'd he do that? Come on.
갑자기 너무 흥분하는 할아버지 샘.
Hi, is she home? Lee? Lee? Oh, Jesus.
I ever show you my favorite old family picture?
Now, there. We was a cute little thing, wasn't it? Strange from birth.
We come from a long line of hate, Adam.
Side of their father.
이제 최후 변론의 시간.
My client is guilty, and he deserves to be punished. But he does not deserve to be murdered. Because he was taught from birth that he had to do the thing. He never knew he had any other recourse but hatred and bigotry and violence. His great-grandfather was one of the co-founding members of that hateful organization. The very things that make him so monstrous are the very reasons that mitigate against this state murdering him.
그리고 크레이머의 아내를 찾아간 아담.
I'm hoping you'll ask the governor to show some mercy. Your word would carry a lot of weight with the governor, and no one knows more than you that there's already been enough suffering.
Sam Cahill destroyed both our families. He has to die because the story needs an ending. You know, they were your age then. And they would have been your age now.
아담은 그녀 앞에서 더 이상 아무 말도 꺼낼 수 없었죠.
Haven't given up, have you?
얼마 전 만났던 전직 FBI 요원이었습니다.
What are you doing here?
I've been watching you, kid. You deserve the facts. Claimed the night before the Kramer bombing, he saw Sam in a diner with another guy.
R.W.
Hey, Raleigh Wedge. He's a real hater, but smart. And we could never tie him to anything.
Where is he now?
I figure if he's here, he's there.
샘의 집행을 앞두고 이곳으로 모이고 있다는 KKK 단원들. 호랑이를 잡으려면 호랑이 굴에 들어가야 하는 법. 롤리 웨지, 그는 여기 있을까? 그 순간 롤리 웨지 그자였죠.
What do you think you're doing here?
Sam says you're his people.
We are one.
Was this how you treat your people?
Always look behind you.
And? Look, if Sam were being tried as an accomplice right now, the most he would get is... Grant a stay. Give me more time.
어느덧 샘의 집행 예정일 전날.
No one could ever forgive you for.
Is that why you came here?
You look a lot like your brother, Mr. Cahill.
롤리 웨지는 폭탄을 만든 장본인이자 샘의 친동생이었고 샘은 그래도 가족이었던 동생을 배신하고 싶지 않았던 것.
I came to pay my respects, Sam. Say goodbye. We kept two little Jews from growing up into big Jews.
Wasn't supposed to be no.
Don't go soft, Sam. Day's coming. Every day more and more people are opening their eyes to see the only thing wrong with this country is we've gone against the laws of nature, God's law. And now, finally, he who lies in another man, they're all digging their own graves. You've been a good and loyal soldier, Sam. Go with a dignity that is yours, though.
Oh, you son of a you. You. You ain't my brother! You better get out of here.
I'll be praying for you, Sam.
You go to hell.
다음 날 아침. 아직은 결과가 나오지 않은 상황.
I'd like you to mail these for me.
그건 세미 크레이머의 아내와 퀸 씨에게 쓴 편지였습니다. 그리고 잠시 뒤
States Supreme Court has denied a flurry of last-minute appeals on behalf of Sam Cahill.
샘과 아담의 마지막 청혼이 기각되죠.
Something a little Greek level. Now my corn with the double shot.
최대한 담담하게 집행실로 향하는 샘.
The Supreme Court of the United States rejected all appeals filed on behalf of Sam K. Hall. Prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. No matter how many additional people may be implicated in the future, it does not change a fundamental fact. The final judgment will truly be his. To prevent crimes like this from ever again darkening our soul with the blood of the innocent.
All the people and things I hated my whole life, the one I hated most was me. It's thinking I never did anybody any good. He wasn't weak, guy. He was strong. Strong enough to get away. Moving right along.
할아버지 샘의 강인한 면모를 옳은 길에 썼다면 어땠을까 생각했지만 이젠 너무 늦었고 시간을 되돌릴 순 없었습니다.
Any final words, Mr. Cale?
어쩌면 할아버지는 안타까운 시대가 만들어낸 괴물은 아니었을지.
Maybe the ghosts are gone, Lee.
Thank you, Adam.
비디오 키드입니다.